Here's how to scrape Trustpilot company details with no coding knowledge. For this, we'll need the Trustpilot scraper from nutty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press company details. As you can see, we extracted this company details. To extract more, simply press on a different company. Now head to the settings. Then press on stored data. In here you can find all data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on customize. Then press on company details. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data and also change the name. And also add a criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press save. You can also find more features in the add-on section. Now to export this, press add to export list. Then press export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export as HTML. After exporting, here is the data we extracted.